Hey guys, so of course, if you've seen my iPad Air unboxing, you might remember there was a creaking issue I had with my new iPad. In fact, if you haven't seen it, here's a reminder of that. Okay, so this was just booting up and I was just feeling this iPad, and I know that sounds really dodgy, but I do want to say, the iPad's creaking from the back, which is odd. It's around the logo, it's like, it's creaking ever so slightly, which is odd. So yes, the creaking was kind of bothering me and I thought this only affected my iPads, but surprisingly there's a post on r/Apple that's trending where many iPad Air users are saying they're facing the same issues. Now the creaking could be due to many things. It could be thinner aluminium Apple's using with the iPad Air 5 to of course save some money, and so as a result there's a gap between the outer aluminium and the internal components, and so when I press on it, a creak is created. But it also could be quality control issues because surely those internal components should be glued on the back of the device, and the fact I can feel the battery of sorts on the back of the device is kinda odd. But what's even weirder is that according to the Reddit post, only the blue version of the iPad Air 5 is affected by this. Now I'm not sure why this is the case, and obviously I don't have other iPad Air 5s to test right now, but of course, if you do have a non-blue iPad Air 5 that has the creaking issue, do let me know in the comments below. But anyways, what can we do about this? Well, of course, return your device, get it exchanged. I do think this is an issue with first batch models only, and so I do plan to get mine replaced, and fingers crossed, the issue is sorted. But really guys, for those who know iPad Air 5 users, or if you do have an iPad Air 5, I do want to hear more about this from you guys to see if this is a common issue or not. And I guess at the end of the day, this does not affect the actual functionality of the iPad, but then again, many of us buy Apple products because they are high quality, and so this is not up to their standards, and it does feel a lot less sturdier than older iPads. So yes, we could have creak gates with the M1 iPad Air 5, but hopefully this is a temporary issue that Apple can fix. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the link above on details regarding Apple's VR headsets, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!